How to buy real ones only token. So this token came under the symbol of real. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before we go on about this token, go and check Derek's account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to go and check their Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 1 day ago and increased by 300% in the last 24 hours. And also this token is ranking number 5 in the Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine. For that, after that, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also cannot click on it. Now click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. Now here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a real token. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.